During early morning hours between 2 and 6 a.m., your body releases the largest number of these cells. It's like the night shift of repair work. And to hit therapeutic levels, we need 2,000 to 3,000 per milliliter. Inside your body right now, specialized cells are working tirelessly to repair your arteries. Now, these microscopic healers, called endothelial progenitor cells, short for EPCs, are like your body's maintenance crew. But what happens when this crew needs reinforcements? So today, we'll dive into understanding these remarkable cells, explore how they work, and most importantly, show you exactly how to optimize your body's natural repair system for better cardiovascular health. As your clinical nutritionist, all I ask for is to subscribe and share this video with friends and family if you do find it beneficial. So think of your arteries as highways in a busy city. Over time, these highways can develop damage, potholes, cracks, and worn surfaces. EPCs are like specialized repair crew that patrol these highways, fixing damage wherever they find it. These repair cells are primarily made in your bone marrow. So think of it as the main construction headquarters. When your arteries signal damage through chemical messenger called inflammatory markers, your bone marrow dispatches these repair crews into your bloodstream. What makes EPCs truly remarkable is their ability to transform into the exact type of cell needed for repair. So imagine construction workers who can become the actual building material needed for repairs. These cells can detect damage, travel to the site, and either become new blood vessel lining cells or support existing cells in the repair process. The challenge many people face is that modern lifestyle, aging, and various health conditions can significantly reduce both the numbers and effectiveness of these repair cells. It's like having a short-staffed maintenance department trying to keep up with increasing repair demands. So here's something fascinating about these repair cells. They only live for 24 to 36 hours in your bloodstream, and that's why your body needs to constantly produce new ones. So during early morning hours between 2 and 6 a.m., your body releases the largest numbers of these cells. It's like the night shift of repair work. This short lifespan means your body needs to maintain optimal condition for continuous production. So think of it like running a 24-hour construction company. You need constant recruitment, training, and deployment of new workers. Several factors can influence how well your body produces and maintains these repair cells. Sleep quality affects production rate. Exercise stimulates release. Stress can inhibit production. Diet plays a crucial role in their effectiveness. Age naturally reduces production capacity. Understanding this life cycle helps explain why consistent long-term approaches to cardiovascular health work better than short-term solutions. So while supplements play a crucial role in supporting EPC function, lifestyle factors can significantly enhance or inhibit their effectiveness. So let's explore the key lifestyle elements that support optimal EPC function. So sleep optimization: aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, maintain consistent sleep schedule, create a cool, dark sleeping environment, consider sleep tracking to ensure quality rest. Exercise protocol: 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, include both cardio and resistance training. Time exercise for maximum EPC relief. Allow adequate recovery between sessions. Stress management: practice daily meditation or deep breathing, regular relaxation techniques, stress reduction activities, adequate work-life balance. So understanding your EPC levels is crucial for optimizing cardiovascular health. So let's explore how medical professionals track these important cells. The gold standard for measuring EPCs is flow cytometry analysis. So think of this as taking a detailed census of your repair crew. The test looks for specific markers of these cells, like checking for uniforms that identify specialized workers. These markers are called CD34+ and KDR+, help distinguish EPCs from other blood cells. Another valuable test is the colony forming unit assay. This test doesn't just count your repair cells, it actually evaluates how well they work. So imagine assessing not just how many construction workers you have, but testing their actual skills and efficiency. Now, your doctor might also monitor related markers that indicate EPC activity. VEGF levels, which signal new blood vessel growth, SDF-1 levels, which help mobilize repair cells, inflammatory markers that might interfere with repair. Now, before I proceed with the EPC supplement, don't forget to download your free EPC Natural Artery Repair System PDF document listed below within the video description. So that said, let's dive into optimizing your EPCs, as timing and combination of supplement matters significantly. Normal level is released between 500 to 1000 EPCs per milliliter, and we are aiming for a target therapeutic level of 2,000 to 3,000 per milliliter. So early morning protocol between 6 and 7 a.m. First thing upon waking, take NAC on an empty stomach. This powerful antioxidant helps protect your repair cells and stimulates bone marrow to produce more. Wait 30 minutes, then add your nitrate supplement. This timing maximizes nitric oxide production when your body is most receptive. Mid-morning protocol between 9 and 10 a.m. If you're exercising, take your second dose of nitrate about 30 minutes before your workout. This enhances blood flow and EPC mobilization during physical activity. Midday protocol between 12 and 1 p.m. With your largest meal of the day, take your vitamin D3 and K2 combination. These fat-soluble vitamins need dietary fat for optimal absorption. This is also when you'll take your first dose of high-quality fish oil. Evening protocol between 6 and 7 p.m. Your second NAC dose comes with dinner along with your remaining fish oil. This timing supports overnight repair processes when your body does most of its regenerative work. Now, before bed, 9 to 10 p.m., take your supporting compounds: magnesium, L-theanine, glycine, and nitrate. These work synergistically during your sleep cycle when repair activity peaks. So while this protocol is designed for optimal results, remember several important factors. Start gradually. Begin with basic supplements and add other progressively over 2 to 3 weeks. This allows you to monitor how your body responds to each addition. So for detailed protocols and supplement recommendation, download my free guide in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe for more evidence-based health optimization content.